we talk about it though, this is so cute and so much more fun than those stairs.
Whoa.
The Stairmaster at 11 o'clock is not fun. To the hell no. No,
Nope.
absolutely not. I take the funicular. Which is what I do.
Because it's more fun.
Yeah. Good morning. We're just grabbing a quick cup of coffee at this adorable little coffee shop on the boardwalk. We're gonna go down to the old town of Quebec. Not exactly sure what it's called.
I think it's just the old city. Yeah.
Yeah, old Quebec. And we'll just see what kind of trouble we can get up to.
Holding on to my tomorrow, shaking from my yesterday. Still waking up, still waking up, still waking up to today. Holding on to my tomorrow, shaking from my yesterday. Still waking up, still waking up, still waking up to today. Open up my eyes.
Being around the old town is really neat. Quebec City is one of the oldest cities in Canada. And when you're walking around these old limestone buildings, there are little plaques that say what year they're from. And some of them are like 1600, 1700, 1800. It's just really fascinating to see these old buildings. Anyways, you can see our hotel up there behind us, full of history. There's cannons everywhere. I think this used to be a fort. Fascinating.
Lately I don't care, the place is falling apart. I don't wanna go there. Everything gets better when you are around.
We're gonna duck into this little restaurant that we found called Chez Muffy.
Looks pretty good.
Looks amazing, little French restaurant.
Everything gets better when you are around. Everything gets better and you are around. Everything.
So we went into the wrong door, but I think now we found it.
Everything gets better when you are around. Everything gets better and you are around. Everything. Everything.
I mean, this place looks super cute. You did good finding this place. It's like all old. I mean, it's got like you know, it looks somewhat original.
So my starter is this beautiful country bread that's got a confit ling cod, which is a type of cod. And then it's got lardons and some sort of like fresh cheese that's whipped with herbs. It looks so beautiful. Eric's got these, what are assuming are oysters from this region. And then these beautiful market salads. Oh my gosh, I'm kind of jealous I don't have one.
I got the coq au vin, which is chicken and red wine. It smells so good. It smells so good.
I ordered the Arctic char with warm Brussels sprouts and cavatelli, and there's some mussels in here, I think. Anyways,
It looks amazing.
Delicious. It looks so good.
Bon appetit.
Strawberries are in season here, and they just brought us the most amazing strawberry tart with pastry cream and some sort of ice cream. It's beautiful. We just finished up lunch. Everything was so delicious. If you do come to Quebec City, you have to come to Chez Muffy.
It was excellent.
Yeah, 2 thumbs up and more. Like, so good.
Yeah, really good. You like it? It's pretty through here.
I do, and we got Christmas shopping done. Yay!
We go for big.
Don't worry, I was never lost.
You're never lost.
Holding on to my tomorrow, shaking from my yesterday. Still waking up, still waking up, still waking up to today. Holding on to my tomorrow.
We're gonna take you on a little tour. We've already been in there, so you know our stuff's kind of everywhere. Please forgive. Welcome. This is our sitting area and our charging station all set up. Office, nice window, couch.
Nona.
Coffee maker, very important. This is our nice, enormous closet. Mega walk-in. Wood trim. We have a nice little seating area over here by the window. 2 beds. Entertainment. And then a nice big bathroom. This tub is enormous. It doesn't look it, but it is. And then my favorite part of staying at the Fairmonts is that they have all of the Le Labo products, which are my favorite. And if you go to enough hotels, you realize that normally the toiletries are kind of icky and you need to bring your own, but I look forward to coming to the Fairmont because I never pack my shampoo. And that's it.
I met a man named Melchizedek. He was a good man, wandering lonely in the desert. He invited me to stay.
Talking about how beautiful that bridge is, the arch.
We're gonna check it out.
Yeah,
I knew a woman, her name was Jezebel. She was a wild one. She said, come out and we could have fun. And then she wanted me to go.
charming.
She couldn't stay getting
But it's
too
going to
close.
be else rather than the normal shines.
Oh, that's so good.
And I'm curious who I'll meet next.
The what?
What's weird is that people look at me like, who could that be? And I'm like, I'm no one.
What happened?
I said, do you always have paparazzi?
Amy does, yeah.
I knew a girl, her name was Mary. She was a sweet child.
We found where the
Her
teenagers
heart was
hang out.
broken, seen from miles away, like the moon over the world. I knew a man from Golgotha. He was a kitty man. He
Living.
promised he would break my everything. And every way I use the word. All the water and the world.
The holes.
Looks like a wire and there's like poke holes in it, but it's all dirt. One big frog.
And I'm curious who I'll meet next.
Yeah, it's like a mesh.
Honey!
That depends upon the context.
Bring them a toy.
Whoa! Huh?
They want the skin to look really good in Quebec, so they've done a government project so you can come down here and have a free facial in the city. Just had sunset down at the water. It was beautiful, and now we are at an Italian restaurant called Il Matto, and it was recommended to us. We're really excited to try it.
You can have me taking a bite of me.
There you go. Make it a blooper.
Pasta blooper.
I get a
I thought that
bluebird.
was such a tiny bite. It's not. Okay. We got it now.
Like it?
It's delicious. So we just finished with dinner, and it turns out the son of the family owns this place. His mother still makes the pasta, which did not disappoint. It was delicious. The special this I'm guessing
It's
for the
season.
week
Yeah,
season
yeah.
and whatnot was lobster. So we all had lobster in our dinners. I loved it so much. The lanterns and so cute.
Bye, honey.
And I'm curious who I'll meet next.
I take the funicular, which is what I do.
Because it's more fun.
Yeah. I'm not a peasant. It is beneath me to take those stairs.
Is it?
All 1 million of them. You should be getting that, not me.
Ow.
Ouch.
Yeah, I gotta duck more.
Yeah.
She was a sweet child. Her heart was broken, seen from miles wide, like the moon over the world.